Well, hey there, my little math people. I am doing a couple podcasts, that's what these little videos are called, to help you out when I'm not here. And the first podcast is going to be primarily a review of what we talked about yesterday. Remember the definitions we talked about. Constant, it's just a number. Coefficient, it's going to be the number, the number within a monomial. Monomial is a term that only multiplication is going on. So these little problems here have been designed to help you out. And it says the first part here in part A, it says identify each monomial's coefficient. So the first thing I want to do is I want to figure out how many monomials I have here. And remember, monomials are separated by minus and plus signs. So the first one I have is right here. I'm going to call this one monomial A. This one is monomial B. This one is monomial C. And this one is monomial D. So I have four of them here. And I'll use that notation A, B, C, D as I'm going through. So for part A here, it says identify each monomial's coefficient. So for monomial A, the coefficient would be the number out front being multiplied. And when nothing's there, we assume that to be 1. For monomial B, the coefficient would be negative 4. Should be a negative. There we go. For monomial C, the coefficient would be a positive 2. And then for monomial D, the coefficient, again, the number in front being multiplied, would be negative 1. All right, so review of monomials and coefficients. Let's shade up color, shall we? For part B, I'll try to redo this again. There we go. Oh, look at that. That is nifty. All right, for part B, it says identify the degree of each monomial. Remember, the degree of each monomial is a sum of all of the variables' degree within the monomial. Basically, you're adding all of the exponents of the variables together. So for monomial A, the degree would be 3 plus 3, or 6. For monomial B, the degree would be 2 plus, remember what this one, this is like really a 1 right here. 2 plus 1 would be 3. For monomial C, the degree would be 3 plus 2, which is 5. And for monomial D, the degree would be 1 plus 4, or 5 again. Wonderful. Lastly, we'll switch up colors here again. I like to be colorful. For part C, it says identify the degree of the polynomial. And if you remember, the degree of the polynomial is different. You do not take the degrees of the monomials and add them up. You simply take the highest monomial degree. And if you look at these numbers, this one right here is the highest monomial degree, so the degree of the polynomial is that degree as well. So little review for you. Got a couple more examples coming up of the new stuff, but should be got to review those definitions.